Russian has a unique way of expressing feelings, as seen in the phrase «мне холодно», which translates to me, it is cold. Unlike English, where one might say, I am cold, Russians describe sensations as experiences happening to them. This linguistic difference highlights how Russian speakers perceive the world, emphasizing feelings as external rather than internal actions. This perspective can lead to a richer understanding of emotions and experiences, showcasing the beauty of language diversity. How do you say, I am hot in Russian? Type in comments. Russian doesn't always say I am. Sometimes Russian says мне холодно, мне скучно, мне интересно. Write in the comments. Мне, example, мне холодно, мне интересно.